Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And in today's discussion, the first video is regarding the positions in convex lens. Look at the diagram. On the right hand side of the convex lens, I have marked 2 points. One F, focal point. From the focal point to the right side, 2F. In the left side, there is a focal point, and from the focal point on the left side, there is another point called 2F. From the optical axis to F, say the length is 4 centimeter, that is the focal length now. Focal length, focal point to 2F also 4 centimeter. Left side also, the focal length will be centimeter. Focal length to focal point to 2F is also 4 centimeter. Understood? So there are 4 positions. There are 4 positions from the lens, right? So what are the things you have to see here? There is F, 2F. On right side, they are equal distance from each other, and in the left side there is F and 2F. And now I'm going to tell you. So first of all, you have to draw this and submit to me. Only this portion, just for a view, you have to draw and submit to me. Just one thing you have to do. Second, now I am going to tell you the distances we mark here. First thing I told you, they are positions. Now the distances. What are the distances? If you mark an object in this position, if you mark an object in this position, this is the length here is described as more than 2 times of the, or more than twice of the focal length. From the lens, this arrow object is located at a distance more than 2 times of the focal length. All the measurements are done from the lens. Okay, so if you place the object here, now the object distance is 2 times of the, or twice of the focal length. You have to use that word better. You have to use the word object distance. So if you place here, the object distance is greater than 2 times of the focal length. If you place the object here, you can place a candle, you can place something, that is not my problem. If you place here, the object distance is twice of the focal length or 2 times of the focal length. I am bringing the object to another place here. Now what is the object distance? Greater than the focal length less than twice of the focal length, greater than the focal length, less than twice of the focal length. If you bring the object here, now the object is on the focal point. So the object distance is focal length. And now if you place the object here, the object distance is less than the focal length. So I have told you 5 object distances. 1, greater than the twice of the focal length. Second, twice of the focal length. Third, greater than the focal length, less than the twice of the focal length. Fourth, focal length, object distance is focal length. And the fifth, object distance is less than the focal length. So you kids have to draw individual diagrams for every object distance here, one for each. So you are going to draw all together 5 diagrams for object distances and 1 diagram to show F2F, F2F. Okay, so do these works for today. Inshallah, in another video, I will give you the further instructions. I'll give you the further instructions. Now just do these works and send it to me. Assalamu alaikum.